My message for today is basically for all the lovers, preachers, believers, and solicitors of one Nigerian unity. And for some of you that might not be too conversant with the recent happenings in your country, Nigeria, or for some of you that must have heard what I'm about to say, but you pretend like you did not hear, let me refresh your memory, especially my brothers from the Southeast, soliciting and advocating for one Nigerian unity. I hope you all have heard that the federal government of your country is set to borrow $22.7 billion, that is 8.3 trillion naira as of today, for capital expenditure that is only limited to the North region, the West region, and the South region, excluding the East region. Do you understand what I said, or you want me to paraphrase it? That the federal government of your country is about to borrow money and the Southeast is excluded. Ndi Igbo is excluded from the money that will be borrowed by the federal government. That is to say, the federal government doesn't know you. They don't recognize you all. They don't know you all ever existed. They don't know that you are existing. And when it's time to repay back this loan, the same people will come down to the Southeast where there is milk and honey, a fertile land, a land where they dig oil. They will put their pipe and pipe away our oil to use to repay back the loan that you and I did not participate in, but our children will have to pay for it. Kobo, Shishin, Anene, they didn't give to the Southeast. And you are still telling me, preaching one Nigeria, advocating and soliciting for one Nigeria, kill all of you there. If you had ever preached to one Nigeria before, one Nigeria will consume you. If you are from Southeast and you are still advocating for one Nigeria will swallow you like a river. One Nigeria will consume you like fire. You are very stupid. Haven't you seen that anytime you say you're one Nigeria, you sound so foolish? You sound like a moron. You look like a he-goat. Whenever you say you are one Nigeria, you look so useless. Shame on the 5 Eastern governors. Shame on you, governor of Enugu State, governor of Anambra, governor of Ebonyi, governor of Imo State. Shame on all the 5 Eastern senators we have, excluding Senator Nyineya Baribe. That the federal government have excluded the Southeast from participating in the 22.7 billion naira loan, and you all are seated like Obe Geliako. You will not say anything. Hausas have used your head to drink furau the nono. What do you know? You don't have anything to say. You are just standing like a nama. You are slaves. The more you look, the less you see. Anywhere they push you, you go. Anywhere you don't have say. They have used pin to pin your mouth. That is why they excluded you from the loan. And you are still seated like a nama that you are. Shame on all of you. I'm ashamed of all of you. Obegeliako. Act like a man and not a woman. And you are still preaching one Nigeria. God punish all of you one after the other. And there was blast explosion. There was an explosion in Lagos State. Abolado in Lagos precisely. And some group of pathetic journalists claimed it is just pipeline explosion. And the other joke of reporters said it is gas explosion. If it is gas explosion, where is the gas station located? If it is gas cylinder, where are the debris of the gas cylinder that exploded? If it is pipe explosion, where are the traces of the pipe? Anybody that is telling you that what happened in Lagos is pipe explosion, pour the person spit. We're also blow the person. Anybody that tell you that what happened in Lagos is pipeline explosion, God punish you for ever saying that. They want to divert the fact that there was bomb explosion targeted majorly at Ndi-Igbo living in Abolado, because Abolado is dominated by Ndi-Igbo, and they come out to tell you that it is pipeline explosion. And after which, the governor of Lagos State, Sanwo-Olu, visited the scene with a professional photographer and a very good camera with nice lens. And he took a very nice shot and sent to your president, Muhammadu Buhari, that was seated in his office enjoying a factory-fitted AC. They displayed the pictures for your president, and he was watching and admiring the carcass of the burnt building and the carcass of the dead bodies. Lovers of one Nigeria, what is expected or what was expected of your president as at that time, as the commander-in-chief? Is it not to go to the scene of where that thing happened, to commiserate to the people that lost their loved ones? Was he not supposed to pay them condolence visits, to even show that he cared, to show that he's there to protect lives and properties? And you are there defending incompetency, useless set of people. And as usual, they have come out to say, we are going to make sure that we bring the perpetrators to book. They are always bringing the perpetrators to a very large book that we don't even know anything about. I have not really seen this book, but they're always putting the perpetrator's name in this book. And of course, they will tell you they are on top of the matter. They are always on top of the matter. How on top of the matter. And the matter has been swept under the carpet. Is anybody talking about the Abolado explosion? No. Their next target. Ndi Igbo nanu eme ngwangwa eme arodachi. Kesiri nututu chuwe woji tupu chi aneji. They have targeted Ndi Igbo in the West. Haven't you heard that a little thing you hear that was fire outbreak in the market, and if you go to that market, it is Igbo dominated market. They want to cripple your business. They know that anywhere you go, you strive in your business, and they want to cripple you to 0%. 70% of the investment you see in Lagos, including building, is owned by Ndi Igbo. If Igbo people should leave Lagos State today, Lagos will become a desert under 1 year. I am telling you the truth. If Lagos have 20 million population, Ndi Igbo is 12 million in Lagos State. Originally, Ndi Igbo should own Lagos. Ndi Igbo, go and develop Oka. Go and develop Nsukka. We have Aba, we have Onitsha, we have Imo. Go and develop our place. Leave them alone. Ojukwu was crying over this thing that time. This is exactly what Ojukwu was saying. Stop developing for them. If you go to Lagos and Abuja, you will be seeing magnificent building. Ndi Wororo. Stop building for them. Instead, build better. The way they are building in the East. Ruwaran Habata. Oh no, Tani. Build it for them. They don't deserve anything good. That Hausa and Yorubas are feeding in Nigeria today is because of Ndi Igbo. But envy, Ekoro will not allow them to admit it. Pride will not allow them to admit it. Because they are so envious of you. They are so jealous of your progress. They know anywhere you go, you progress. And anywhere they go, there is retrogression. Ndi Igbo biko nano. Nano, so that they will stop crippling you. Go and ask our fathers that lived in the north. My father lived in the north in the 90s. They crippled their business. Hausa crippled their business. Millionaires from the north, and that is what the Yorubas are doing in the West. That is why you all need to go. Stop building for them. Stop developing for them. Allow this their Lagos to turn to a complete desert. Because they don't have business ideas. They don't know nothing. They are Oriako. Hausa and Yorubas are Oriako. And Ndi Igbo Atarako. That is why there is high rate of jealousy. Any bomb explosion or any fire you see that is happening in Lagos, that is dominated market of Ndi Igbo, you will know that it was an intentional act. They want to make sure that you people go back to the east with a nylon. How to make sure no waterproof na? Because Ndi Igbo, I want you all to take this thing in your heart. Don't just see it as a normal message. Just go and think about it. And there is a coronavirus outbreak, epidemic, and they are begging your president to come out and make a speech. They are begging Mr. President, come and address the nation. Did anybody beg Donald Trump to address the nation? Your president, they are begging him at this perilous time, at this crucial time, to come and address the nation as the commander-in-chief. And your president is seated. Even the senators and the House of Representative members are begging him. And he is not coming out. Why is he now the president? If you cannot address the nation at this crucial time, why are you the president of Nigeria? And the health minister said they have budgeted billions of dollars, billions of naira to combat coronavirus. My brothers and sisters, they have pocketed that money. They have looted the money. You all as good as Walking Dead. I don't pray it happens to you. You are your own government. You have to start protecting yourself. Do not lock yourself inside the house saying that your government will give you money. They will allow you to die. They will even come and collect the jollof rice you have. Other countries are giving their citizens food indoors. They don't even pay house rent anymore. But your country, their own is to remove fuel of 20 naira. These people will make sure that they kill you. That is why I said don't hope on them. Make sure that your children are not going to school anymore. Bring them at home. They will allow you to die like dog. They don't have good quarantine centers. They don't have test kits. They don't have good doctors on site. No good healthcare facilities. What they have is Nurse Eliza and Dr. Eliza. The money that they've brought out, they've pocketed it, and they will allow you to die like chicken. Don't believe that your country is about to come coronavirus. They will not. They don't have anything to offer. They sound so stupid on the television. Please, I want you all to stay safe. Stay indoors and ensure that you take all the precautionary measures to ensure that you are safe. Ndi Igbo, nanu.